Are you sick and tired of your drill press table never being at the right height? Is your drill press table's height adjustment not working like it used to? Ouch! What you need is the Drill Daddy 3000, a fully motorized drill press table that makes drilling fun and easy again for the whole family. As you saw just a minute ago, this drill press that I picked up on Facebook Marketplace, and which has clearly spent a lot of time outside, this doesn't work very well anymore. I mean, maybe it never worked very well. It's definitely not working very nice right now. And then it occurred to me, because right next to it, I have this little work table. It's height adjustable, as you can see. And so that gave me an idea, like pretty obvious where I came up with that idea. They're right next to each other. So I bought another height adjustable table leg set from the Jungle website. And we're going to build and adjust, we're going to build a little table here that I don't have to do this crap anymore. And just have to push a button instead. And then together with this piece of junk from Harbor Freight, I'll have adjustments in 3 axes, X, Y, and Z. So, because this works like this, cross-slide vise here. And I can do some kind of cool stuff, I think, with all this. So let's just get started right away. One of the first things I needed to do was remove the old drill press table. It can actually be rotated if I ever need to drill something at an angle, but it looks like nobody has rotated or removed it since George Bush was in power. So it was stuck on there pretty well, and this definitely could have gone a lot smoother. But at least it didn't land on my foot. Now it can be rotated and pushed aside, and if I ever need it again, it'll be there for me. I needed a way to attach the table legs to the bottom of the drill press, so I decided to weld on these large washers. In hindsight, I should have just drilled holes through the horizontal pieces of each table leg. That would have provided a much stronger attachment point, but this way works too. Next, I needed to add some bracing. This is to prevent the table from racking forward and backward, as you can see here.
This is the rod that connects the motor on one table leg to the height screw on the other table leg. I needed to make it much shorter, which is thankfully way easier than making it longer. Although I didn't know what I was really doing at first, I quickly figured it out and it was no problem. Almost finished with the table legs now, but there's just a little wobble from side to side. That's easily fixed with some more bracing.
So it's working perfectly and it's rock solid. Like really good in there. But it's missing a piece, right? It just needs the top plate. I have a piece of 16-inch. This is 16th inch plate steel. And I'm going to take it over to the Wazer machine to have the holes cut out. The holes that will in turn hold this vise. So let's take it over to the Wazer. Okay, this file is all ready to go. These holes are perfectly spaced for the exact vise that I want to use. And the file is on here. Let's come over to the Wazer now. All right, I have the top plate here with the holes all perfectly spaced out, exactly to fit the vise I'm going to use. And yes, the irony is not lost on me about using a water jet cutter to make holes, which is the one thing that a drill press does really well, is make holes. But, there was nothing for me to put it on yet. And it would have been a pain to get these ones on the end here and this one in the middle, this bigger one. I probably would have spent just as much time doing that as it took the water jet cutter. But while the water jet was working, I could be busy myself with something else. So it is a time saver. I'm just going to clean up the surface here with this scuff pad. And then I'm going to use this stuff, T9 rust and corrosion protection, just to keep it from rusting. Put my cross slide vise up on here, and I'm gonna screw this down. I just haven't done that yet. And now I have 3 axes of movement. Go left, right, forward, backwards, and now with the push of a button, I can go up and down. Now I wouldn't say this is a milling machine yet, or that it will ever be a milling machine, but it's a lot nicer than it used to be. And now when I want to drill something like say a flat panel that won't fit in the vise, I can remove the vise and lift it back up, and there we go. And if I ever need to, I can actually remove this because it's only bolted down, and the old table is still here. And of course, I'll have to do a demonstration. This was a fun project. I think this was my first video building and working on tools and not just using tools. So if you liked it, let me know in the comments. If you think I should just stick to cars and other wacky projects, let me know in the comments as well. Thanks for watching, guys, and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. See you next time.